Welcome to Tilmor. My name is Liddell Steiner, and during the next few minutes, you will learn some basic safety rules and instructions associated with the operations of your 520 series Tilmor tractor. Knowing yourself, your machine, and the field conditions all contribute to getting the job done efficiently and safely. It is important that you and everyone who operates Tilmor tractors and equipment understand proper tractor operation. This video is not the only source of safety information. Always refer to the operators and maintenance manuals as your primary source for operation, safety, and maintenance instructions. The manual covers items and procedures specific to your equipment, adjustment specifications, types of fluids to use, and maintenance intervals. The operator's manual is located inside the canister on the left side of the seat, or is available for download at tilmor.com. Safety alert symbols. You will see this safety alert symbol throughout the program, in your operations manual, on your tractor and implement safety signs. It identifies important safety messages. When you see it, be alert to prevent serious bodily injury or death. Always follow the instructions in the safety message. Danger indicates an imminently hazardous situation, which if not avoided will result in death or serious injury. Warning indicates a potentially hazardous situation, which if not avoided could result in death or serious injury. Caution indicates a potentially hazardous situation, which if not avoided may result in injury and/or property damage. It may also be used to alert against unsafe practices. General safety practices, inspection, and maintenance of your tractor and implements are critical in its ability to function safely and properly. Whether you perform these procedures before, during, or after operations, it is important that you read and understand the operator's manual. Refer to the operator's manual for a maintenance schedule, chart, the proper procedures to follow, and the correct fluids to use. The inspection should be performed before the first startup each day. Remember, for your safety, park the power unit on a level surface, lower the implement to the ground, engage the parking brake, turn the engine off, and remove the key before servicing the equipment. Your tractor is equipped with a fold-down roll-over protection system, or ROPS. Always wear the seat belt when the roll bar is locked in the upright position. Lower the roll bar only when absolutely necessary, and raise the roll bar to the upright position as soon as the clearance allows. Do not wear a seat belt when the roll bar has been lowered to the down position. Repair or replace any damaged, worn, or missing parts, and make any necessary adjustments. Wear proper clothing and closed-toe shoes. Wear a certified ear protection device to prevent loss of hearing, and safety glasses while operating the tractor. Be aware of anyone entering the work area. Children and pets are especially attracted to machine activity. Turn off the machine if someone or pets enter the work area. Never allow anyone to ride on the tractor or implement. Do not leave the tractor unattended while it's running. Always turn the belt power takeoff, or BPTO, and set the park brake when you leave the tractor seat. If you are leaving the immediate work area, turn the engine off and remove the key. Only operate when lighting is sufficient for safe visibility, and do not operate the machine if you are not in good physical and mental health. If you will be distracted by personal devices or under the influence of any substance which would impair decision, dexterity, or judgment. Reduce speed when you are operating on rough ground or in inclement weather. Equipment can cause serious injury and/or death when improperly used. If you do hit an object, stop and inspect the machine. Make all necessary repairs before operating the machine again. After you have completed your tasks and returned the tractor to where it will be parked, Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the engine to cool down before turning it off and removing the key. Fuel safety. Pay close attention to the decal located near the fill cap for the type of fuel, whether gasoline or diesel, to use in your tractor. Be sure to only use clean, fresh fuel. Dirty or stale fuel can clog filters and cause your tractor to perform poorly. Do not refuel the tractor while smoking or at a location near flames and sparks. Never refuel while the engine is running. Do not store fuel or refuel machine in a building or where fumes or fuel can reach an open flame or a spark. Clean up any spilled fuel and keep dirt and debris away from the fill area. When parking the tractor at the end of the day, turn the fuel shutoff valve to the off position, which is indicated by the symbol O. Battery safety. If you experience a dead battery, refer to your operator's manual for proper instruction for using a booster battery to start your tractor. If you are unsure of performing this procedure, inquire from a trained person or ask a professional for assistance. Improper procedures can result in damaged equipment and personal injury. Turn the battery disconnect switch to the off position when parking the tractor at the end of the day. The basic tractor is not intended to be driven on public roadways. For use on the public roads, install the road package kit, which includes safety lights, a horn, an SMV sign. Obey all state and local laws concerning operation of tractors on roadways. If unsure of local rules and regulations, inquire with the local safety departments. Slow down and be careful of traffic when operating near or crossing roadways. Stop before crossing roads or sidewalks. Use care when approaching an area or object that may obscure your vision. If you have any concern about the safety conditions, discontinue machine operation until time when the operation can be performed safely. Truck and trailer transport. Use care when loading or unloading the machine into a truck or trailer. The parking brake is not sufficient to lock the machine during transport. Always secure the power unit and attachments to the transporting vehicle. Shut off the fuel supply to the power unit during transport. Turn the battery disconnect switch to the off position to shut off electrical power. This concludes the Tilmor 520 tractor safety video. It is recommended that after reading and understanding the operator's manual, you practice by driving the tractor with an attachment on a level surface to become familiar with the controls. Give yourself ample time to know the tractor before you begin performing your tasks. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Tilmor equipment, visit tilmor.com. Thank you.